Hello, hello, hello. Sorry for starting a little late. We had some people that couldn't find us on Facebook, so I don't know what's going on. I noticed I didn't get that many requests for Facebook, so hopefully we're working it out right now, and we'll start in a couple of minutes. Let some people join us, and we'll get it going. We got a special today, back-to-back Mosaic, and we got Clearly. I really like Clearly. Mosaic is nice. NBA hoops, such a good mix. So good luck to you guys all. We'll be starting soon. Hopefully more people can jump on. If not, they can watch it later on YouTube or on my Facebook Live. But let's go ahead and get started. All full for this break. What do you mean? Like, do we got teams available? We do. It's on my Facebook page. I believe we got I think it was the Kings, the Nets, the Clippers, the Blazers, and some other teams for $30 if you want them. Yeah, those teams are available on my Facebook. And if you want them, you can have them, $30. The good thing about those teams, there's a lot of golden reds from Mosaic. You never know which one you'll hit. But I'm going to give it a couple minutes and we'll get started. I know we're running a little late and we still got people joining and messaging me. So we're taking care of that right now, but hope you guys enjoying your day. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and start with this one. These blasters, NBA blasters, and look for exclusive red prisms, 8 packs per box, 4 cards per pack, 32 cards. All righty, let's go. No worry, man. No worry. I know a lot of people did pass on those teams. You're not the only one. Alrighty. Empty box. All right, let's go ahead and get started. Good luck, everybody. Something nice back there. Alrighty. We got Miles Turner. We got Jabari Parker. Cam Reddish, rookie card. And green for the Dallas Mavericks. Come on. Jalen Bronson. Not who you want to see. All right. Ooh, something nice back there. I don't know what that is, but it looks super nice. We got Justin Winslow. We got Mikal Bridges. We got a NBA Hoops. Ooh, Rui. Let's go. Hachimura. And behind that, it's a nice color. I don't know who, but it's nice. Nikola Joker, nice looking card. I think this is a blue mojo, if I'm not wrong. Oh, it's number 2. Nice. What does that say? 4/99. Congrats, Nuggets. Good looking card. Man. You know, the Joker's balling out, so it's a good card right there. Let's keep it up though. Not bad, we got that. Rui. Yeah, that Joker's nice, man. I don't know if that's a blue mojo. I don't think that's a blue mojo. I think that's like a, I don't know, man. I'm trying to figure it out. But it's super nice. And it's numbered. So that's a nice hit. All right, let's keep going. We got a lot to go, so this is just We got Don Maker. We got Carl Anthony Towns. Daniel Gafford. And for the Kings, Fox. It just says Fox. All right, DeAndre Fox. Nice card. Those are nice cards. I like those. But let's keep it up. Let's keep it going. NBA hoops. Still nice. See some color back there. We got Tayshaun Prince, Andre Robinson, Mike Scott, and what's in the bag? Trevor Ariza. Trolling. Wasting my silver. All right, some color back there. Oh, we got Victor Oladipo. We got John Wall. We got Quandary Witherspoon. And for the Magic, Evan Fournier Green. Wasting it, man. Don't waste them. Whoop. Another one back there. Let's see what that is. This blaster might be fire. Denzel Valentine. We got Devin Booker. We got Rajon Rondo. And what's back here? Let's see. Something nice. Dang. Josh Okogie. Is that numbered? Not numbered. Okay. That would be somebody better, but... let's go. Oh, LeBron off the back. Welcome to the party. Chris Middleton, Dirk, and we got a Steph Curry. Nice card. This is really nice. It's a good picture. Let me sleeve some of these up. Pretty nice picture of Steph right there. Stephen Curry. Alrighty. Hopefully you get some fire from these blasters. Some rookies at least. Some silver back there. Dwight Powell, Darren Fox, Admiral Schofield, and Julius Irving. Still a nice card, but not who we want to see. These cards are nice. Those silvers are nice. Just got to hit something good. All right, another hoops. Let's do the hoops over here, over her. Let's go. Let me know who you guys want to see. Who can come out to the party. All righty. Got little detectors in there. All right. We got Dion Waiters. Ooh, something back. Irvin, all right. Zion, let's go, man. Dion Waiters, Miles Leonard. Taco, it is Taco Tuesday fall. And the Nickeil Alexander Walker for the Pellies. Nice, Pellies. Nah, it's not Zion, or that would have been sick, but still pretty nice. He balled out the other day, I think. Or somebody. I think he did. All right, not bad. It's not. It wasn't Zion, man. I tried. But close. But let's get you that Zion. You'll take that Irvin, huh, Julius? It's nice. Nice silver. See, I like that, man. You're a fan. That's what I like. Reggie Jackson. Brandon Ingram. Moritz Wagner. And who's in the back? Joker. 2 back-to-back Jokers, man. Nuggets, you guys are eating. Nice-looking card. All right, Joker. He's making his presence known. 2 back-to-back. Whoever has the Nuggets, not bad. You got 2 cards already that are really nice. And he's been balling. What's going on, George? See some color back there. We got Chris LeVert, Norman Powell, Bobo for the Nuggets. Like I said, the Nuggets are doing good. And Bogdan for the Jazz. Come on, Jazz. We still got a lot to go. Austin Rivers. We got Nikola Vucevic. We got Quinn Cook. And the color in the back is for the Celtics. Kemba Walker Green. Nice color match. I love color matches. It's one of my favorite cards are color matches. So that was a nice hit. So, all right. But let's keep the show going. Oh, another one. I hate showing them off. All right. Wendell Carter Jr. We got Vince Carter. NBA Hoops. Kobe White. Nice. And Jaylen Brown. Nice. Celtics, you're hitting too, huh? All right. I see you. A nice Jaylen Brown. Nice Kobe White. And we'll keep the party going. All right. Oh, something nice back there. Hopefully. Wilson Chandler, Damian Lillard, Kevin Porter Jr. for the Cavs, and Grant Williams we got next. All right. That would have been a nice Zion. A nice Zion. Silver back there. Let's see who it is. Justin Jackson, Jeff Teague. We got Duncan Robinson. And the color is Derrick Rose. Man. I know he just went to the Knicks, I believe. I think he went to the Knicks. What's going on? All right, see some color back there. John Collins. We got DeRozan. Ty Jerome for the Suns. And a Magic player. Jonathan Isaac. All right. No big rookies yet. We'll get one, though. Don't worry. All right. All righty. Color back there. It's Terry Rozier. We got a TJ Warren. A Luka for the Spurs. And our color is Willie Cooleystein for the Mavs. Some guys just waste some silver, man. I'm not cool with that. All right, we got Eric Gordon. We got Derek White. We got a Mario Shayuk. And back here, we got an old Otto Porter Jr. for the Bulls. All right, where's our rookies at? Some good rookies right now. All right, we got Landry Shamet. We got Derek Favors. We got Justin James. And we got backstage LeBron. Let's go. It's always nice when LeBron comes to the party. Nice looking LeBron. Backstage pass. Somebody told me there's another player in the back or something that makes... You want the nest, George? Yeah, no problem. If you have a team on the break, then it's $10. If you don't, then just, if you want, send me like 13. $13. Friends and family, please. Unless you want to cover the 3%. Dwight Powell, Frank Tilikina. Sorry, I butchered that one. I was trying to think and talk. Anthony Davis and Davis Bertans. All right, let me put these, sleeve it up. All right, Lakers are hitting, so that's good. The Lake Show. See if they win it back to back. We got Kevin Horter. We got Siakam. We got Paul Millsap. And we got Ben Simmons. Nice card for the 76ers. 76ers are balling. Let's see if they can keep it up. Grant Williams. For Boston, we got Kevin Durant. We got Evan Fournier. And we got a Keldon Johnson. Nice. Oh, and a Dylan Brooks for the Grizz. It's not Ja, but hey, take it. Nice Keldon Johnson right there. All right, we got Kemba Walker. We got Hassan Whiteside. We got Marcus Morris Sr. And in the back, our green is Zubac. Wasting my time, Zubac. I can't stand Zubac, man. All right, Tim Hardaway Jr. Got Mikal Bridges. We got Allen AI for the 76ers. And we got a Juan Hernan Gomez. Man. Oh, we still got one blaster, though. Okay, I thought that was all our blasters. All right. Come on, Ja. Come on, Zion. Usually come out by now on these hoops. All righty. Come on, last chance for the hoops. Let's go. Let's get some fire. I wouldn't mind taking a signature. We got Draymond Green. We got Trevor Ariza. We got a Ty Jerome. And a green Dalio. All right, not the best. All right, let's go. Oh, see something nice in the back. Let's see what it is. Miles Bridges, Tyler Johnson, Jordan McLaughlin. In the back, ooh, Justin Jackson. Come on. I hate to see those go at waste. Don't like it. We got Miles Turner. We got Josh Okogie. We got Romeo Langford. In the back, we got Jamal Adams. What a waste. All righty. Let's go. Come on. Let's get some big rookies. Justin Winslow. Harry Giles III. Alan Samlogic. And Harry Giles. Wank, wank. No bueno. All right. We still got a lot of action, man. We got clearly a mosaic. So, Don Maker. We got Dirk. That was Dennis Smith Jr. And our red. Woo! That's nice. It's not Zion, but, man, it's nice. Pelicans red. Nice rookie right there. Yeah, we need hero, man. We need... But we still got a lot to go, man. Especially a hero off of clearly would be nice. Pelicans, sorry it's not Zion, but still pretty nice card. Anytime you get a rookie like that, pretty nice. But let's keep it going. Tayshaun Prince, Josh Jackson, Jarrett Culver, T. Wolves, and a Malcolm Brogdon. Ouch, 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 ouch. We haven't got any big superstar yet besides LeBron. We got a Victor Oladipo. We got a Ersan Ilyasova. Matisse, nice card. And our last card is a courtside. Who is this? Clippers. For that pack. One more pack to go. And then we get into the big dogs. The Clearly and the Mosaic. I'll do Clearly and then Mosaic last. Denzel Valentine. We got Buddy Hield. Kyle Anderson. And the last card's a silver. Ty Jerome. He's been trolling us. Ouch, man. Those blasters. Jeez. Pretty rough. At least one base, Zion or Ja. Come on. All right, Clearly, guys. Good luck. But this is more of our main event right here. Good luck. So let's make sure we get something nice here. Alrighty. Here we go. Good luck. I love these cards. These cards are very, very nice. 4 packs. You know what? Let's just do this. All right. I was going to leave this for last, but let's just do this now. The bad thing about this is you can see the cards from the from the back, so you know who you're getting. Shaq Gilchrist Alexander. We got Kyle Lowry. We got a Domantas Sabonis. Rui, let's go. Nice. Rui and a Kyle Guy. All right. All right, we got a Rui. That's nice. Let's see who else. The Hachi. The Rui is pretty nice. That Rui's nice. Yes, man. Let's get you a hero, bro. All right, that's a nice. All right, we got 4 more. Let's go. Clearly, let's go. All right, we got Devontae Graham. We got Kawhi Leonard. We got, for the Heat. Not who you want, but it's still nice. The rookies, Kendrick Nunn. Nice card. We got Nazir Little. And in the back, we got Quandary Witherspoon. All right. Come on, we need a bigger hits. Sometimes you just need one card to save you. That's a nice hit, Kendrick Nunn hit. It wasn't Tyler, but hey, I know you'll take it. All righty. Come on, Zion, come on. Yeah, Nunn is clean, man. Hopefully he gets better. All right, let's do this. All right, we got Chris Paul. Don't try to look behind. We got Devin Booker. Darius Garland, nice for the Cavs. Rated rookie. We got a Grant Williams. And we got a Cody Martin for the Hornets. That Garland's nice. Celtics has been hitting. It's not a number, but it's gold. Pretty nice card. All right, one last pack. Hopefully we can pull some magic. Last pack magic. Come on. Show me something nice. I need a signature. I need a nice signature, man. Come on. Woohoo! There we go, Luca. Nice, Luca. All right, Luca came out. We got Rudy Gobert. We got Dame Dollar. We got a PJ Washington. And our last card is for the Lakers. Nice hit, Lakers. Man, that was rough. I can't even lie. I mean, unless you got a good hit. Unless you got a good hit. That was kind of rough. Some decent rookies, but not who you want to see. Jeez. Let me see some of these up. All right. Nothing colorful, nothing numbered. That was rough. Come on. All righty. All right. Mosaic, you got to save us. You got to save us. Because you got to save us. All right. Here we go, man. You got to save us. Let me put some better cards up here. Yeah, man, we need this Mosaic to save, man. Good thing we weren't done like that, but we do need some saving over here. And hopefully we can get it right now. Let me see. I guess we could put that Rudy for now, which is pretty nice. And then none for now. For now, hopefully we can replace them with bigger people. All right, let's go. Let's go, Mosaic. All right, let's go. Something nice. I see a red back there. Let's go. We need good vibes. Karl Anthony Towns. We got Bogdan. We got Shai Gilgeous-Alexander. And a Ty Jerome. You are trolling us. And here we go. Ja. Pretty nice. Not colored. I wish it was colored red. That would have been fire. But we got a Ja, so that's good. All right. One Ja. We'll take it. Okay. All right, let's go. This box is going to be fire. That Ty Jerome has been trolling me big time, man. Not even funny. Not even funny. Let's go. Now we need a Zion. We need Tyler. We need Luka. We got Hassan Whiteside. We got Donovan Mitchell. We got Tyus Jones. And our red, ooh, that's clean. It's not Zion, but man, Brandon Ingram card. And in the back, Jared Culver. Let's go. Okay, that's a nice Ingram. I like that one. Like I said, I know we're fighting for that Zion. But we'll take that Brandon Ingram. Red. Super nice. You got all the Pelicans except for Zion. But this is a very nice card. Comeback most improved player. So let's go. All righty. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. All right, I see some red back there. We got Joe Crowder. We got Ben Simmons. Oh, what is this? 400 points? You got to be kidding me. You got to be kidding me. All right, I'm going to ruffle that off. Boom, for the Hawks. Dominic Wilkins, nice old school card. And Eric Pascal. I don't know if that's a good sign we get points. Did they take one of our gold away or what? But it's not bad. Dominic Wilkins is nice, red on red for the Hawks. Alrighty, let me Let's keep it going. I haven't seen any gold yet. DeAndre Bembry. We got Marcus Morris. Wendell Carter Jr. Oh, who's that? Langston Galloway. Get out of here. Troll. And a Hall of Fame. All right. All right, we got to heat back up. One jaw. Nice Pelican. We got Stephen Curry. We got Eric Gordon. We got a John Wall. Our red is, who's our red? Jalen Noel. Come on. It's a rookie. He's nice, but still. MVP. Will Chamberlain. Man, these reds are rough. I got to hit one banger, man. Come on. We got to hit one banger. Give us one banger one time. Let's go. Oh, there's our gold. Here we go. I see some gold. Luke Kennard. All right. Hopefully it's a nice gold, man, because they owe us some gold. Let's go. Chris Levert, Al Horford, and our gold. Oh, Hall of Fame. God. Man, come on. John Stockton for the Jazz. Come on. Nice gold, but wrong player. And a Darius Garland in the back. Ouch. Ouch. Come on, Panini. I mean, it's a nice Stockton, but jeez. I don't want no Stockton. Let me check. You said the Chamberlain? 1 second. Let me look. Let me take a sneak peek. Will. Oh no, that's Kareem. Will Chamberlain had the Philadelphia on it. Yeah, it was, bro. That was bad. That's Philadelphia on it, so it goes to the Philly. That was a slap, man. That gold, man. Come on. I mean, if you from Utah, you liking it. We got Kevin Durant, Kelly Olynyk, Thaddeus Young. Ooh, nice. Jaylen Brown. Wow. Red, green. And our rookie is Terrence Mann. Man, how come we get no Zion? No. Gotta be kidding me. We still got time, though. We still got lots of time. Let's not lose hope. Nice Jaylen Brown. Nice red Jaylen Brown there. Then the Celtics has been hitting. The Celtics have been hitting. All right. We got Rudy Gay. We got Isaiah Thomas. Kendrick Williams. And Hamudio Dalio. And Kyle Guy. Jeez. Man, I hope, bro. I love your energy, bro. We trying, man. We trying. Got to get this. Man, we got to give us a banger, Panini. Show us some love here. I don't care about that 400 points. Let's get a banger, though. We still got 4 packs, though, bro. 4 packs. Lauri Markkanen, I know he just got injured. We got Miles Leonard. Kelly Oubre Jr. Who is this? Red. Ah, damn it. DJ Augustin and a Cody Martin. All right, bro. I hope so, man. These last 3 packs better be fire. I think we got 3 more and that's it. Because we can't take no DJ Augustine, man. That's just not cutting it. It's not cutting it at all. No Zion, no one jaw. I need some Luca. All right, 3 more packs. Let's just take them out. Abracadabra, I feel you, bro. Something, man. Let's go, bro. I hope you bring the good vibes. Kyle Kuzma. We got TJ Warren. Oh, our silver. Who is that? Dante DaVincio. Come on. Landry Shamet. Ouch. And Admiral Schofield. Eek. Eek. Come on, man. And these boxes ain't that cheap, man. Come on. We got a Chris Middleton. We got Mike Conley. We got Jack Layman. Ty Jerome. You got to be kidding me. How do you give me 2 Ty Jeromes? Like, it cannot get worse, and it does. And a Kobe White. Not bad. Kobe White. All right, last pack. Sorry, man. How do you give me 2 Ty Jeromes? That's just wrong. That's just wrong. I think this is my second Ty Jerome. Let me see. Yep. 2 of them. 2 of them. Last pack magic, guys. And then I'll go over our hits. All right. Oh, we see some gold. All right, man. Let's just hope. Give me something right now. Darren Fox. We got Lou Williams. We got LaMarcus Aldridge. All right, here we go. Gold. Uh-oh. I don't want to build too much suspense because you guys had too much already, but... Ouch! Spencer Dinwiddie. Man. Wow, this box was horrible. Officially horrible. And a Hall of Fame Will Chamberlain. Gosh, that just hurts the gut, man. They did us wrong. They did us wrong. All right, let me go through this real quick. I got another break after this. If you guys want more, it's up to you. I don't blame you. But let me go through some of the hits. Nice Pelican, Brandon Ingram. We got a Nikola Joker, number 299. Got a Jaw. Got a Kendrick Nunn. We got a Boston Jaylen Brown red. Yellow John Stockton. Rui. We got PJ. We got a Talon. We got a Darius Garland. We got a Joker. We got a Nico Alexander. And we got Jackson Hayes. I got to raffle this off, so I'm going to put another video up. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put all teams that are on the break. And then I'm going to randomize it. And in the number 1 spot I'll send this to them, all right? All right, guys. Thank you for joining. You guys have a great night. Bye.